Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to bar lace Air Force Ones. Now this can look like it could be a bit tricky, but I promise you it's super easy. Just follow along with me, pause the video as much as you need, and I'll go as slowly as I can. Begin by taking the little metal doobray and threading your lace down into it, and then up into the other side, just like this. And then what I like to do is make sure to grab the two lace ends and pull the little metal AF1 tag down to the very end so that you can make sure the laces are of equal length. Then what we're going to do is we're going to begin by threading the laces down into each eyelet at the very bottom of the sneaker. That's one. And remember, you can pause if you like. Just catch up to me. Just like that. When they're nice and threaded, just double check that they are the same length. Mine are. And then we'll move on. So what we're going to do now is pop this lace out the way here just for a moment. Take this lace and bring it into the very next eyelet up. Second one from underneath, just as I'm doing here. And we'll take this lace, pop it out the way like that. And then we're going to bring this guy over the sneaker tongue and down into the second eyelet from the bottom on the right. We're going to slowly pull that across, making sure the lace is looking nice and flat. And we'll have our second little bar there. Then we're going to move this lace out the way, just like this. And bring the other guy back that hasn't been barred yet. And we're going to take it up into the third eyelet from the bottom on the right hand side, just like this. And now it's his turn to come across the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet here. Like that, making sure that we have another bar. Then we're going to pop this out the way, go back to this one. Bring it into the next eyelet up from the bottom. And then we're going to bring it across the sneaker tongue. And doing this method means that all of the bars should come out the same, similar sizes and lengths, looking quite nice. Then we're going to pop this lace out the way. Bring back the other one. And bring it up into the next eyelet. And again, just repeating the pattern, take it across the sneaker tongue. Just like that. Switch back to the other lace, bring it up to the next eyelet, across the sneaker tongue, down to the next eyelet. Now I like to stop here and just adjust everything, making sure it's all looking nice and straight, the bars are looking crisp. Then we'll put this lace out the way, switch back to the other one, bring it up into the final eyelet, just like this, and then down into this eyelet here to make our final bar. Now I'm going to show you what to do with these excess laces. What I like to do is just tuck them under the sneaker tongue, and then I like to create a little bow. And then I just go ahead and tuck that under the sneaker tongue out of sight, which creates a really crisp look. I find the bow doesn't bother the top of my foot inside the shoe, and it works just well. Repeat the steps on the other Air Force One and you'll have a pair of really cool looking bar-laced Air Force Ones. If you found the info in this video helpful, it would be awesome if you could hit the like button and help it reach more people. Thank you.